My inner train nerd is absolutely loving this. Now I feel like I am in China. Look at this place. I've wanted to come here for as long as I can remember. It's also a very touristy place, but it doesn't feel touristy at all. I haven't seen a single Westerner since we left Guangzhou this morning. The plan for the next couple of days is very photography focused. We got some organised shoots with local fishermen, buffalo farmers, and obviously adventuring and photographing these wonderful peaks behind me. So we've just finished photographing the fisherman this morning. That was a bucket list experience. Unfortunately, the fishermen no longer actually do that as their job, but I guess it's good for people like myself to come out here and I guess keep that tradition alive and give them a little bit of money to photograph them, as fishing is not their income anymore. So amazing morning. The weather absolutely sucked, but I think we got some nice bits. We are at our second spot of the day after heading back to the hotel after this morning, getting some food, freshening up. We are back out and we are in the sticks. Yeah, we're here to capture some buffalo farmers in their remote habitat. This place is wild. Wow, that was extremely cool, amazing. We spent a good hour or so there just photographing that buffalo farmer. Had a little chat with him in the end, and yeah, real special. Like, today is just getting better. Now on to our third and final spot spot of the day, the famous valley of peaks. This is going to be sick. If you are ever coming out these ways, I would 100% recommend getting a guide or driver, because it has made today so much easier, especially with like not speaking any of the language. And where we've driven to is insane. Like, I don't even know how you would get there on your own. So yeah, out these ways, get a driver for sure. Ooh. So we've made it to the top. Wow, layers for days. Now if you know me, then you'll know that I love photographing these sort of landscapes. So this is a dream for me. I've wanted to come here for as long as I can remember. I'm not really too sure what I want to shoot at the moment. My brain and eyeballs can't take this whole landscape in. It's just blowing my mind. But I've had the drone up, I had a look around. There's a lot of layers behind me, so I'll just wait for that sun to dip and I'll put that back up. Yeah, I had the 16 to 35 out and the 24 to 70 just to get some wide shots. But I just got the 100 to 400 out, and there's a nice lineup just in front of me here. We've got some mountains close to me, and then they sort of open up into a valley, and the colours change the further they go away, and there's a real big one stand out behind. So yeah, I'll give it a go on this, because there's a lot of houses and stuff down in the valley there, and I like the minimalistic look. I don't really like the viewer to be distracted by stuff, so we'll try and get some zoomed in on this bad boy, and yeah, see what we do. So we've just finished up, the sun has just gone behind the clouds. What a day. Bucket list, like, tick that off. I don't know how we're going to get any better than this, so if you want to stop watching here, then fair play, because yeah, I don't know I'm going to be able to top that. I don't know if you can hear, but it's absolutely smashing it down. We got up at 4 AM to get our transport to go to this hike and viewpoint that we were going to do, and it was absolutely teaming it down. So we called it off and had another couple of hours in bed. Unfortunately, the weather is looking like this for the majority of the days. We're thinking about heading to a place called Xingping Ancient Town. Wasn't planning on going there originally, but as we've got nothing really to do now, we'll probably head over that way later this afternoon. Wasn't on my list originally. I kind of find that these ancient towns are a bit finicky and touristy, but yeah, we've got nothing else to do, so we'll check it out and yeah, and see what today brings.
deep. Life is not joking. We actually was just looking on the map and we found that there's a hike, so it's quite high up, but the sun is starting to clear and the rain stopped, but the humidity is insane. But yeah, we're going to send it up now for sunset and hopefully see some views. This escalated it quickly. We have just got back to YANGSHUO. We've just been back to the hotel, had a quick freshen up after the humidest hike I think I've ever done in my life, but still got the beanie on. But yeah, we're just about to go out for dinner. We're going to walk into the town now. It's very touristy, very chaotic. We get a lot of weird looks. A lot of people are intrigued by us. But yeah, I thought I'd bring the camera along and just capture those evening moments. I am shooting on the A7 IV with the my go-to, the 85mm 1.4. So unfortunately our time has come to an end here in YANGSHUO. It has been the most incredible couple of days. As I've mentioned already in this video, I've wanted to come here for a very long time, so I'm so blessed and just amazed that we managed to get here. Yesterday was incredible. Photographing the buffalo farmer and the fisherman was bucket list stuff, like top tier. So yeah, 3 days wasn't enough. I could easily spend longer here, but all good things come to an end. We're leaving tomorrow to go to our next destination, so we're going to enjoy a feed and one last beer. Stay tuned because I'm going to be filming a lot more videos here in China and trying to release a video every location that we go to. So yeah, press that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. Cheers.